Hello everyone, this is Raj Shekharan from Trendbooster. So in this presentation, I'm going to do the analysis of a student asked question about some profile. Maybe he saw in Twitter. He asked me about kindly review this profile and do me the pros and cons. Instead of posting that pros and cons in my own group, I thought of sharing this analysis with the YouTube community. Let's begin. A legal disclaimer. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, this was the question. Could you give me your analysis of the below option trade, which I saw in Twitter? This is asked by my student. I thought of, instead of answering to my own community in Telegram, I thought of, explaining them in YouTube community. So even the moment I saw this, they posted in the Telegram group asking this question. So I thought of this looks interesting, and I thought of explaining them very detailed manner. Yeah. So the moment I saw this is actually a kind of calendar based trade. That's the first thing I will see that. And what is the advantage and disadvantages trade? So he asked me about it. Let me see. This profile is basically a calendar based trades. That's all I can see. And other thing is it can be constructed with everything put or everything call based. And whoever created this is not a market neutral trader, and he or she has a bias with the market direction. So market exactly somewhere here, and if the user is expecting the market to move in one direction because it's a put side, I don't see that much more tent, the shamiana, whatever you call it. It's not that much available, and the moment it goes down, he has to cut something and then add here. Okay, let me draw this, or let me do this with a proper so the profile is something like this, right? Let me draw here the profile similar to this. So this is how the profile is drawing. Okay, first of all, the one thing that I noticed here, and the custom market is somewhere here, right? The at the money is somewhere here. Okay, and the market have to move this call side to make this this much big money. All right, let me erase. Okay, this much big money, right? And if market goes down, what will happen? So you need to cut this off, and maybe you'll add here. That will become a big more damage here, and then you'll be adding it. So it's basically it's a directional based trade. Let me draw here directional based trade, not market, not a market neutral trade. Okay, that is the first one. Second one is a calendar based. So calendar based trade. Third one is it can be constructed with calls or put. Okay, we'll do the construction, and I will do here because we need to see the what is the Vega, and how things we're going to analysis using our own internal software, right? Let's do this. Let's go back to constructing the profile. So this is a profile. So market is somewhere is 11,800 that time. So and he's covering around close to 30. He or she is covering around close to 13,000. Let's see and construct a similar profile. We can't exactly reverse engineer the same thing, but we know what can be done. Okay. And one more thing, you see that I already said there is a three calendars are there, right? If you look at that, there is a 3 calendars are there, but this is not the typical calendar. It can be with different lot size, because if you make a typical three calendar, what happens? It will be like a crown based crown based, shamiana, the tent. So this will be a smaller and this will be a bigger and this will be a smaller. But when I look at this tent, it is actually everything is triple top, like everything is equal or slightly higher on the right side, which means this may be a 300 quantity. Example I'm saying, this can be a 450 quantity or this can be a 600 quantity. Okay. So if you do so, then only it will become a proper, proper triple top equivalent uh, height. Otherwise, it'll be like a crown based hat. This is how it works, right? So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and construct this profile, and let's see how things we can construct this profile. So I'm with option Optima, which is our internal tool based on option Oracle. Okay. So I already loaded Nifty. Let me maximize this. Okay. So I'm going to add maybe add the money, whatever it is. So short the call. I'm going to construct first with the short the call. Okay, which is going to be 12,000. November. Let me see. Could be a 450 quantity. And long call. So the first calendar I'm adding is, it can be a 12,000 or 11,900. It can be a diagonal. Okay, because we don't know the exact the recipe of the strikes. So we are just using that, constructing that similar manner so that we can analyze the pros and cons of the profile. It can be a 400. And look at this, is automatically drawing the profile while we're doing the construction the profile. So now I'll be adding one more strike, maybe a 12,500, 26,000. This could be a 600. A short call, sorry, long call. December 31st and 600. See, we got a 210, 2 post shamiana. Now we have to add one more short call. It's going to be the 13,000 or 12,800, whatever it is. This is just an assumption, right? We don't know the exact strikes. Long call. Uh, 13,000. 31st December. This can be a 900. Okay, so this is what we are seeing somewhat, the extended profile. So we can reduce it, make it equal or something like this. This can be a 600. So we can add some more strikes. So as you see that it's become it is getting, it's like a crown based shamiana, right? So it's not exactly the profile that we saw. Similar in a equivalent length. It's not that mandatory that we have to get equivalent. Let me construct similar manner. Can be with 650. Or this can be, you have to tweak a little bit to get it done. Otherwise, can be 700 or 600. creating the profile is not a big deal, and managing this profile is a matter. So we are creating, here is a bigger tent, here is a bigger tent. It's almost equal, not exactly as equal, but we are almost equal. Okay, it can be tweaked and may with large size, or add extra shot here and to make it this profile. So we are not creating exact mirror of the trade. We are creating the similar profile to understand the theta, understand the Greeks of this, understand this how things can be made. Let me minimize this. This is not required. Okay, let's look at this now. So the profile is, the bigger area is only in the call side, and the put side, if market goes, what happens? He or she has to cut this one more calendar. He need to add a put calendar, something like this. Okay, so that market neutral. By the time of market moving here, this put calendar, what happens? It will become a damage. Kind of, because this is higher lot. If you see that this is used as a higher lot compared to this one. So what happened, instead of current month losing, the next month contract long will lose more than current month. Okay, so they may be talking about theoretical aspect, but beyond the theoretical aspect, the contracts pricing mechanism, this is how it works. Also, if you look at that, there is one more thing that I noticing. The theta is very small. Okay, so the t plus 0 is like this. Okay, it will be like this. So the even market, let me add the t plus 0. If you look at that, yeah. So the t plus 0, current day t plus 0, the market goes, what happens? So look at the IV, it's around 2070, 1970, 2016. So average is around 17 to 18, right? Let's do the analysis of this. Theta is very low. Theta is damn less. Theta is damn less. And Vega is too much positive Vega. So what happens when market goes up? Market goes up, the Vega will drop. Okay, so Vega drops, this profile will have what happen? This profile will try to shrink to below this. Okay, whatever you're seeing, this today's profile may not be that till the expiry. Okay, it can drastically change. That is a worst thing in the calendars when you use the 1:1. When you use 1:1 calendar, this is what happens. So we have to remove some of the volatility, if you say Vega part, positive Vega part, in order to maintain the profile. Otherwise, what happens is, tomorrow the any Vega drop, any of this Vega drop, what happens? This profile will try to shrink below. Okay, so this is not exactly the same till the expiry, right? So we are seeing one thing, theta is, the bad part is theta is less, Vega is extremely high, theta is Vega ratio, and in any Vega drop in a market side, it can drop the profile. So let me summarize this. Okay. So let me delete all these drawings, and then so theta is small, and theta is Vega is huge. Vega positive is huge. This is actually the market is set it up in the market direction. So if Vega, if market goes up, the Vega reduce typically. I said typically. Okay, may not be the same. Typically, Vega reduce. The Vega will reduce and damage the profile. Okay, also the t plus 0. See the adjustment of put side required consistent, or something like we need to be monitor. It can be you can short a call or you can do a put calendar or something like that. You can start like this to the entire monthly profile, right? So let's go and analyze this profile. This is all small, Vega positive, huge. So okay, what is the pros? Pros is that I can see this is a wide range, quite a big wide range, and this profile can be margin friendly. Okay, so and all this are cons, and this is pros, and this is based on the trade. Let's go and do the analysis. What happens if the volatility reduces? Okay, so view analysis. See, if you look at that, we have a average volatility somewhere around 17 to 18. Okay, so I'm going to for the analysis on IV. So I'm using the profit with loss and underlying. Okay, choosing the date, maybe next month 12 or 13, something like that. Okay, the range I have to define. The range is 10,500 and 100 points away. Strikes I want 13,500. Okay, and the volatility is, what is the volatility? Average volatility somewhere around 18, right? So 18. Okay, so autofill. Okay, this is what it shows. It may be wrong, it may be correct. Okay, what happened when market at when the date of 13th of November at the same volatility, and we will be seeing this profile somewhere around 11,600 to here 13,600. It's a range is profitable. That's what we are seeing it today. What happened when market the IV is reduced to something like 20% or 30%, say maybe 14. Okay, then fill it. Now what happens? So now it's only showing 11,900 somewhere here. It's 11,900 to 13,100, still profitable, but the Shamiana will be slightly less. Okay. So what happened in mark? IV reduces again, volatility reduces again, like 12 or something. Autofill. See that the range is getting reduces and the profits also shrinks. See, earlier we used to see bigger tent. See, 12,100 to 12,900, right? That is what it's 12,900. It'll be a profitable area if IV is around volatility is somewhere around 12, and the profit tent will be very less, right? So this is what happens when market moves up. Typically the Vega reduces, so the profit tent will typically will reduce. So this is not exactly a proper profile to me, but it's okay to trade. And if you have a view that its market is going to be, because given the consideration there is a event is there and the Vega may be increasing, and if you are a directional trader and you have the view and you have the volatility view, then that can be worked out. Otherwise it may work against you. Okay, that's all guys I wanted to show you. So if you look at this profile, this is what the people asked me, so I thought of doing analysis. And so this is a directional based trade, not a market neutral trade. Calendar based trade. It can be constructed with the calls or put. Just now I constructed with the calls. May not be exactly the same. So the pros, it's a wide range and market friendly. And the cons, the theta is small and Vega positive is here. Vega positive is huge. If market goes up, the Vega will reduce and it will damage the and it will damage the profile. Adjustment of put side required, and you have to vigilantly monitor the put side. So hope it is clarifies this. And you want me to analyze a similar profile in the YouTube channel, send me the profile to the tendooster@gmail.com. I'll take a look at this profile and then try to review and give my analysis of the trade setup. Okay, and stay tuned, and kindly do follow me in the check it out tendooster.com, and do write an email and follow me in Twitter.